Rachel, our guard is up a little bit more than it usually would be. There's a flood watch today, even though this isn't a big rain event, but it's all because of what we've experienced in the last few months and this year so far. Since January 1st, more than 43 inches of liquid rain and melted snow in the Hartford area. That's more than 10 inches above average. And through today, this is the 5th wettest year on record, and our records go back to 1905. Now, obviously, we had all sorts of flooding during the middle of the summer, and this is a look at the Connecticut River gauge at Hartford going back a whole year. You can see the big spike that happened back in July. That was when the river hit 21 feet, and it was above flood stage for almost a week when we had that flooding rain in July. But all of the water has worked through the system pretty much since then, and now our major rivers are well below flood stage. The river today reading 3.7 feet high at Hartford. So our bigger rivers can handle the water we're getting. The concern is more the smaller rivers and streams, and that's why a flood watch was issued for Hartford, Tolland, and Windham counties. And taking into account the soil moisture, how much water we've had, the threshold for flooding today is about 2 to 3 inches of rain in 3 hours. Fortunately, we haven't seen that, but on an ordinary day, it's more like 3 to 4 inches of rain in 3 hours if we weren't in such a wet pattern. So as a precaution, a flood watch issued today, but as we see it now, we should avoid any issues with flooding as long as this rain keeps moving along. Rachel's back with more on some good weather coming up the rest of the week. Back to you.